I've seen so many content creators out there telling you to promote high competition products like keto diets or pet related items on Digistore24. And honestly, I'm a bit disappointed because these niches are so saturated with competition that it's hard for beginners like you to make any real money. I've been in this game for a while and I've seen it all. So today, I'm going to show you a proven method to make real money on Digistore24 with a product that has real potential. We're talking about a product that people actually need and are willing to pay for. For anyone who doesn't know, Digistore24 is an all-in-one digital sales platform and affiliate network that helps you promote and sell various products online. Now, let's get you set up with an account. First, head over to Digistore24.com and click on the Get Started button. Next, you'll need to enter some basic information: your name, email address, and a secure password. Here, make sure to check the box that says, I am an affiliate. Then, read the contract, and once you're comfortable, check the box to agree and then click Continue. On the next page, you just have to provide the information related to your account. First, select your title from the options provided, then enter your first and last names in these fields. Next, enter your company's name. Here, you can provide your business name or website name. After that, enter your street address. If you have an apartment unit or floor number, enter it here. Otherwise, leave it blank. Then, enter your postal code followed by your city and state. After that, select your country from the drop-down list. Finally, enter your phone number, including the country code. Once you finish, click Register for free. Finally, head over to your email address and verify your account. Once you've successfully completed all these steps, you'll gain access to your Digistore24 dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing your affiliate activities. To begin exploring the wide range of available products, your first task is to locate and select the View tab. Once you're there, make sure to switch the setting from Vendor to Affiliate. This step is crucial because it ensures that you're browsing products specifically intended for affiliate promotion rather than those meant for vendors. After you've made this adjustment, the next thing you need to do is click on the Marketplace tab. By doing so, you will be directed to the extensive Digistore24 Marketplace, where you'll find a vast selection of products across multiple categories, all waiting for affiliates like you to promote them and earn commissions. Now, let's dive into what is arguably the most crucial part of the entire process: selecting the right product to promote. While it may seem tempting to simply pick any random product from the list, it's important to remember that not every product is going to be a successful choice. If you want to maximize your chances of earning substantial commissions, you need to be strategic in your selection. The key is to find a product that people are genuinely interested in and actively searching for. Instead of wasting your time scrolling endlessly through countless options, I've taken the liberty of conducting thorough research to identify a product that has real potential and a strong market demand: Prodentum. At this point, you might be wondering, dental supplements? Is that really a profitable niche? It's a fair question, but let me explain why this is actually a hidden gold mine. Think about it. Oral health is something that people care deeply about, and for good reason. Our teeth play a major role in how we present ourselves to the world. The reality is, when people interact with you, one of the first things they notice is your smile. This is precisely why promoting a high-quality dental supplement like Prodentum is a smart decision. Understanding what truly matters to consumers and aligning yourself with products that meet those needs is the key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. A crucial factor to consider when selecting a product to promote is its conversion rate. Prodentum has an impressive 29% conversion rate, meaning that for every 100 people who visit the sales page, 27 will make a purchase. This clearly shows strong demand, making it a smart choice for affiliates looking to maximize earnings. As an affiliate, you'll receive a 55% commission on each sale. Since Prodentum sells for $140, this means you'll earn $77 per sale. That's a great opportunity, especially since you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service, just driving traffic to the sales page. To get your affiliate link, simply click Promote Now, then select Copy Promo Link. Be sure to save it in a Word document or Notes app for easy access later. Now that we've chosen a profitable product, the next step is to create an engaging review video that will attract potential buyers and boost conversions. Now, let's dive into content creation. To make this process seamless and efficient, I've been using an incredible AI-powered tool called DubDub. This all-in-one platform provides everything you need, from advanced writing tools and hyper-realistic voiceovers to AI-generated avatars and built-in video editing. It's a complete game-changer for content creators looking to produce professional quality videos with minimal effort. To get started, simply visit the website. Once you're there, sign up for free using your email, and you'll be taken to a user-friendly dashboard that makes navigation easy. Now, let's move on to generating high-converting video titles and scripts. First, click on the AI writing option to enter the writing space. To begin, simply press the / key on your keyboard. This will bring up the writing interface where you can start generating content. I've included 2 extremely useful prompts in the description for you. One designed to generate engaging video titles and another to create compelling scripts. Start by copying the title, prompt from the description and pasting it into the AI writing space. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll receive 30 high-quality title suggestions. Choose the one that resonates most with your audience and copy it. Next, head over to the second prompt in the description, paste your chosen title into the designated section, and then copy the full script generation prompt. Now, return to DubDub, hit the / key again, and paste the complete prompt into the input field. The AI will then generate a well-structured, persuasive script that's optimized for promoting your product. This method ensures that your content is engaging, effective, and ready to convert viewers into buyers. Now, just copy the main title of the script and paste it into a Word document for later use. If you come up with any other titles that you want to use for content, you can go ahead and copy those as well and add them to the Word doc for your next video. Now, delete all the 30 extra titles you generated and also remove any unnecessary parts from the script like the bracket sections and the word narrator. We just want the clean final script to remain. Now that you've got your content all set, it's time to create an amazing AI avatar and voiceover for your video. First, click on the Generate AI Avatar option. That'll take you straight to the avatar generation page. Here, you've got 3 different options to choose from. The first is to upload your own image, and the system will convert it into a talking AI avatar. The second option lets you use one of the pre-made avatars, and the third allows you to generate a brand new AI-created image that you can use as your avatar character. For this video, let's go with the photo avatar option. Now that you've got your avatar set up, you can click on the voice option to choose the perfect voice for your character. You'll see tons of different AI voice characters to pick from. You can choose based on language, age, gender, or whatever works best for your project. Once you've found a voice you like, click on it and then hit Confirm. That'll select that voice for your script. Click on Generate Talking Avatar and then click Generate Again. This will take you to the generation process page. Once it's completed, click on the 3 dots and select Post Edit. This will open up the video editing page. In the editor, let's start by setting the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical, mobile-friendly video. Perfect. Now, let's add some background music to set the mood. Click on the Audio tab, browse through the options, and find a track that fits your vibe. Once you find one, click the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Make sure to set the music volume to a lower level so it doesn't overpower your voiceover or other audio. Now, we need to add product images and videos to our project. First, go to Google and search for the product. Then, download some relevant images. Next, head over to TikTok and search for videos related to teeth and the product, focusing on those with high view counts. Have you noticed how teeth-related videos often have millions of views? It really shows how much people care about their dental health. Once you find one, copy the video link and go to tickmate.do online to download the TikTok video for free. Just paste the link and download the video to your device. Now that you've downloaded all necessary content, it's time to edit the video. Add transitions, text overlays, and ensure the final product is smooth and engaging. Once done, export the video and start promoting your affiliate link using platforms like Pinterest, YouTube. Now, if you want to make serious money using Digistore affiliate marketing, I've found an amazing training program to help you start generating sales within just a few days. Click the link in the description to learn more.